Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about inner join. An inner join requires each record in the two joined tables to have matching records. Inner join creates a new result table by combining column values of two tables A and B based upon the joining condition. The query compares each row of A table with each row of B table to find all pairs of rows which satisfy the condition. When the join condition is satisfied by matching non-null values, column values for each matched pair of rows of A and B are combined into a result row. Syntax is here. Select all from database name, table name, inner join, database name, table name. Inner, join and on are the keywords. Database name is test SQL. Table name is employee. So table name is department. Database name is test SQL. Employee, depart, ID is the column name, which is the foreign key. Department, column name is ID, which is primary key. Copy the syntax. Go to console, paste it here. Department table, ID is the primary key. Employee table, depart ID is the foreign key. So execute the query. So Fahim Irfan selected because depart ID is equal to ID 1. Also Steve selected with depart ID 1. Also in table department, computer has ID 1. Numan Shujat are selected 2244, but employees, go to employees, Nadine not selected because Nadine has no depart ID. Or even if I assign ID 8, clear, and now look at the result. Shujat not selected because there is no ID in department table. There is no 8 ID record in department table. Execute the same syntax. Remove the database name. Employees the table. Execute the query or check the query. Execute the query. Test SQL, go to tables, employee. Employee, also employee, name, copy, Execute the query. Sorry for that. Select test SQL database. Execute the query. Click here and look at here. You can also select specific columns. ID, employee is a table name. Select employee ID because ID is also exist in department table. So mention the table name dot column name and as employee ID and employee dot name as name, department dot name as depart name. Execute the query. Now look at here, employee ID 1, name Fahim Irfan and depart name computer. Steve from computer department, Numan from math, Shujat from sales department. So thank you for watching this video.